Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we will discuss about numeracy, third grade. Do the following question. Number 1. There is 52 and 63. We can multiply between the number. For the first step, we must multiply 2 and 3 first. The result of multiplying 2 and 3 is 6, and we can write under the line because only one number. After that, we can multiply between 5 and 3, and the result we can write in the middle of 5 and 3. The result is 15. And then we can multiply between 6 and 2. And the result of multiplying we can write under the 15. The result is 12. Then we can add between 15 and 12. The result is 27. We can write only 7 under the line, and we can saving 2. We can write beside number 5. And then after that we can multiply between 5 and 6. And the result is 30. We can write beside 6. And then after that, we can add both of them. We can add 2 and 30. How many the result? Yes, 32. We can write under the line. So, the result of multiply between 52 and 63 is 3,276. Are you understand for number 1? If you understand, please continue with number 2. There is number 63 and 74. How many the result of multiply between 63 and 74? The way is same. You must multiply between 3 and 4 first. The result is 12. How if the number is 2, not only 1? Okay, if the number is 2, you can write down under the line the ones. And for the tens, you can saving between 6 and 3 or above of both the number. So you can write 2 under the line, and saving 1 you can write between 6 and 3 or above the both of number. And then you can multiply 6 and 4. The result is 24. You can write in the middle, and then you can multiply 7 and 3. And the result you can write under the 24. And the result is 21. You can look at the yellow number. You can add all. 1 plus 24 plus 21. How many the result? Yes, 46. You only write 6 under the line, and saving 4 you can write beside number 6. And then you can multiply again 6 and 7. How many the result? Yes, 42. And then you can add the green number 4 and 42. Add. So the result is 46. You can write under the line. And the result of multiplying between 63 and 74 is 4,662. Understand? If you understand, let's continue the next question. Number 3. There is two numbers, 54 and 55. We can multiply. For the first, we can multiply 4 and 5. How many the result? Yes, 20. Do you still remember if there is two numbers? Yes. We only write 0 of one's number under the line, and we can saving the tens number and write between 5 and 4 or above both the number. And then we can multiply 5 and 5. For the result is 25, and we can write in the middle. And then we can multiply 5 and 4, and the result is 20. So we can write under the number of 25. You can look at the yellow number. You can add all. 2 plus 25 plus 20. How many the result? Yes, 47. But we only write 7, and we saving the tens number of 4 beside 5. And then we can multiply 5 and 5. The result is 25. You can look at the green number. You can add all. 25 plus 4. How many the result? Yes, 29. You can write under the line 29. So the result of multiplying 54 and 55 is 2970. Understand? Okay, if you understand, we are going to number 4. Multiply between 75 and 66. For the first step, we can multiply 5 and 6, and the result is 30. Same with before, we only write 0 for the ones number and saving 3 for the tens number. And then we can multiply 7 and 6. The result we can write middle of both number. That is 42. And then we multiply between 6 and 5. The result we can put under the 42. That is 30. Look at the yellow number. We add all. 42 plus 3 plus 30. And the result is 75. We only write 5 for the ones number. And for the tens number, we saving. We are saving beside number 7. And then we can multiply 7 and 6. And the result we can put beside the 6 number. And you can look at the green number. You can add all. You can add 7 plus 42. And the result is 49. So, the result of multiply between 75 and 66 is 4950. Understand, student? Now, number 5. Multiply between 86 and 57. For the first, we can multiply 6 and 7. That is 42. We only write 2 and saving 4. And then we can multiply 8 and 7. The result is 56. We can write between the both number. And then we can multiply 5 and 6. The result is 30. And we can put under 56. We can add all the yellow number. 4 plus 56 plus 30. And the result is 90. But we only write 0, and saving 9, we can put beside the 8 number. And then we can multiply 8 and 5. So the result is 40. We can put beside or under the 9. You can add the green number between 9 and 40, so the result is 49. And the result of multiplying between 86 and 57 is 4,902.